Hi again. Now I'm going to demonstrate one of the significant parts in the hydraulic circuits, which called directional valve control. Let's see here. Here I've managed a variety of directional valves, which actuated either by hand lever like this one, or by electrical current like these two valves. How they are works? I've got here a catalog from piston company, a German company. It's quite significant and reliable set of valves and hydraulic parts. Here is a view cut for a directional valve, which consists of 3 connecting positions and 4 ports. But I prefer to explain its working principle through this hand-written diagram. This one. This is a cutting in the directional valve, which has numbers 4/3. 4 means 4 ports, which are A and B and P and T. A and B refers to the actuator ports, and P pressure T tank. Here is the ports, and here is the spool, the main spool, and this is the handle lever. It would move like this, so it would push the main spool either to the right or to the left. Through this movement, this spool would open the ports and the paths between the ports, like we will see now. Here we see the neutral position, which there is no flow throughout the valve. Now the second position, if the operator pushed the lever like this, the main spool would be pulled to the left. Then, through its shape, it would open the path between P port and T and P with A. The third position, if the operator pushed the lever to the right, to the left, it would push the main spool to the right. Then it would open B port with P and A with T. So this valve will act like a traffic light in the crossroad. This valve controls the direction of the flow for the actuators. If we want to control a double acting cylinder by 2 strokes, either advancing or retracting, we would need to change the direction of the flow through the ports A and B. So if the flow comes through this direction and get out through this port, it would push it in a direction. And if it contracts in the other direction, it would push the piston in the other direction. So this function would be achieved by this kind of valves, directional valves. Here you can see the diagram mounted or drawn on the valve. This hand lever control valve contains 3 connecting positions, 1, 2, 3, and 4 ports. This port called P, and this one A, and this T, and this is B. P would be connected with the pump, and T with the tank, and A and B with the cylinder or other actuators. And this other one, the directional valve, which its number is 4/2. 4 means 4 ports, P and T, A and B, and 2 refers to the connecting position. In this valve there is no neutral position, either advancing or retracting. And this is the same as the previous valve, but it's controlled by a solenoid, not a handle lever. And this is another one which contains 3 connecting positions, 1, 2, 3. So it needs 2 solenoids to control it electrically. Let's see the diagrams of the samples, hydraulic samples for the directional valve from Fisto company for automation and hydraulics. This is 4/2 way hand lever valve. For the first position, it connects P with A and B with T. For the other positions, it would connect P with B and P with A. This is another one, but it's controlled by electricity. And this is 4/3 way hand lever valve closed in the mid position. So there is no flow in the mid position. For the second connection position, it connects P with A and T with B. For the third position, it would connect P with B and T with A. Here is another letters. Here is A and here is B, and here is P, and here is T. This is another kind, and this one floated in the mid position. So it's very important valve in the hydraulic systems that control the direction of the flow. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Thank you very much.